Hello everyone, welcome to the episode 6 of the series of code snippets for everyday JavaScript development. In this video, we are going to create a snippet which will help you to transform form data into object so that you can directly send that object as payload. This snippet will make your life a lot easier. So first of all, we have this form. In there, we have two inputs for email and name. Okay. And remember, for this snippet to work, it is important to have a name attribute on our input because otherwise this snippet won't work. So now let's go to the snippet. So the first thing, we will capture the form element from the ID, and on that form element we'll listen for the submit event. Okay, and whenever the submit event occurs, the form to object callback function will be called. So now here we have the form to object callback function which takes an event and it prevents the default behavior of submitting a form. Okay, this is because we don't want the form to actually be submitted, or we don't want the page to reload. All right, now we'll create a form data from the form data constructor by providing it the target. All right, next, now this is the object that we are trying to create from the value that we'll get from these inputs. So how will we create that? So first of all, we'll create an array from the entries in this form data. Okay, so this array.from method will convert these entries into an array, and then on that array, reduce takes an accumulator, the value, and based on it, it adds the key and value to this object. Now moving ahead, we have consoled our form object, and also we have added our form object in the inner HTML of output so that we can see it right here on the screen. So this is it. Now let's see this in action. So I'll enter my name and I'll enter email, and of course this is not my actual email. Now when we submit it, we can see that we have an object with name and email as keys, and this can directly be sent to the API as payload. So that's how you transform your form data into an object to be used as payload without using any external libraries.